Good morning and welcome to Cards and Collectibles BC box break number 10. In this box break we will be busting open one box of 2011-12 Panini Titanium, which contains 5 packs per box and 4 cards per pack. The last winning bid was yesterday at $3.59 and current time and date is 8:01 on August 6th. Alright, the serial number of the box we are breaking open is 181137174. Without further ado, let's get this box open. Good luck to everyone. One second. We've got 5 packs. We've got an empty box. Peace. And a game-worn gear for the New York Rangers, Ryan McDonough. Not numbered. On newly Pittsburgh Penguin. We've got a, oh nice, this is a prime patch game worn gear of Joe Thornton, numbered 5 of 25. Single seam there, two color patch, nice little patch. Big Joe. Okay, we've got a redemption card. So this is for Home Sweater's autograph. It's for the Boston Bruins. It's Brad Marchand, card number 2. So this, obviously it says it's expired as per my description. I will send this to whoever won the Boston Bruins auction. Panini does very much surprising things. So yeah, you might be able to still claim that. Base. Oh, we've got a Evander Kane parallel here, numbered 48 of 99 for the Winnipeg Jets. Evander Kane. And game-worn gear for the Ottawa Senators, Erik Karlsson and Nick Foligno, number 201 of 300. Last pack. Here we go. Feels thick. Is it a decoy? What is it? Looks legit. Oh, it is a decoy. Alright. Oh, we got another parallel here. This is rookie Harry Zalnierczyk. Harry Zalnierczyk. How do you say that? Anyways, it's numbered 57 of 100. And lastly, we've got another Pittsburgh Penguin, Nick Bonino, but this is actually an Anaheim card. This is for the Anaheim Ducks. This is New Wave autograph of Nick Bonino. Okay, so let's fire through those again. We've got the rookie autograph of Nick Bonino for the Anaheim Ducks. I don't think these are numbered, eh? No. The New Waves. We've got the rookie parallel of Harry Zal. You got the rest. Numbered 57 of 100 for the Philadelphia Flyers. We've got some game-worn gear for the Ottawa Senators. This is Erik Karlsson and Nick Foligno, number 201 of 300. We've got Evander Kane of the Winnipeg Jets, numbered 48 of 99. We've got the game-worn home sweaters autograph for Brad Marchand. We've got the Panini Prime game-worn gear, Joe Thornton of the San Jose Sharks, numbered 5 of 25. And lastly, we've got the game-worn gear for the New York Rangers, Ryan McDonagh. All right, everyone. So thank you for joining me for the break, and we'll see you at the next one.